We're going to do a wicked dish now. We're going to do crispy roasted duck. We're going to make a cracking dressing. We're going to make little pancakes with a crispy iceberg lettuce, and you're going to love it. Absolutely love it. That is one of my favourite mouthfuls. So good.
We're the happy pair. Today we're going to cook for you an Irish root veg stew with a kale, Culcanon mash. Genius!
It tastes like being under a duvet and you can hear the rain and the wind outside. Total belly hug.
Hi lovely people, I'm going to show you how to cook my perfect spaghetti. Lovely.
Hello food tubers! Today I have a stunking little recipe for you. It is my family traditional Irish seafood chowder. You've got to try this recipe.